Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Adam and this is my second channel fit for all your gaming and technology needs. Today we're unboxing a 2TB Seagate hard drive for Xbox One. This is the officially licensed Xbox One hard drive. There are many hard drives out there that work, but this one is the official Xbox One. It can never hurt to have the official product. As you can see, Xbox all over here. 2TB game drive. Really you can just use any hard drive, but there are two requirements that Xbox gives you. It has to be USB 3.5 for the plug-in. It can't be any other type of cord or any other size of USB. It must be like, I think it's 250 gigabytes or higher, but I recommend at least 1 terabyte for this to be worth your money and worth your time, because, games take up a lot of space. But this is the official Seagate one. As you can see on the inside there, it's printed Xbox. We'll get a better look at that soon. We have some art down here with the controller. Optimized for gameplay on Xbox One, store 50 plus games and 1 2TB drive. No tools required, easy plug-in and play setup. And yep, that's the picture of the one we have. We have the Xbox One S in white. And this is the green drive. I believe you can get different colors and different designs. There's a cool Halo Wars 2 one, but that's like $120. I actually got this for $80. I got it for a gift, but last time I checked it was $80, so I'm not just going to pay $40 more for same size in some cool design. But this is Xbox green here. Let's open this up. I was just going to cut this off camera, but there's a cool seal there, a little reflectiveness that says Seagate on it. Anyways, opening this thing up, let's take a look at what we got on the inside here. So, instructions and things. We have an insert here with nothing on or in it, just for some padding for your hard drive. Let's see here. Game drive for Xbox quick start guide, so it shows you how to set it up, which is good. All that stuff, all the steps in different languages. Then we have another little, a Seagate limited warranty in tons of different languages. So I'll probably read some of that, but here is the actual hard drive and stuff. It's actually pretty cool. It's nice and clean. We got Xbox up there, Seagate down there in green. It's cool. It's smaller than I would have thought. I would have thought it would be like at least that big, but it's cool. It's compact. A cool thing about this is not only is it extra space for your games, but if you want to just unplug this and take it to your friend's house, you don't have to download the game at your friend's house. Obviously, if you didn't just get a digital copy, if you get a digital copy, this is all you need. But if you have a disc, then you're going to need to bring the disc with you. But you won't have to go through all that downloading process and stuff. So you can go to your friend's house and play some games. This is the cool green color. That's where it's gonna plug it into there. Let's take a look at this cord now. I thought that said something. It's just some specifications. This is where you're gonna plug it into the hard drive, and then this is where you're gonna plug it into the Xbox with the USB 3.5. I believe this hard drive works for anything, even though it's the official Xbox One. So yeah, that plug fits nicely. Let's go plug it in. Okay, so now we have the Xbox turned on, and it looks like there's two, I think, USB ports in the back and one in the front. So we'll just plug this one into the front for now. Okay, so we're in here. We do have a little light up indicator on there, and then on the Xbox, it's indicating a storage device. So you have to format the device. If you have stuff on it, then it'll all be erased. So there's nothing on here now. We'll format it. We'll name this Cortana, like the AI from Halo. Sounds fitting. So from now on, all new games and apps will go here. So it's formatting now. External storage ready. Alright. Alright, so here's our external storage already. We've used 13.1% of it. That's probably just like the actual memory needed to support the device. So we have plenty of space free on my Xbox now. So as you can see here, we have our normal Xbox storage, 78.3% used. You can see why I needed some more storage. Then we have 1.7 terabytes free of our new one. So that's all for today, guys. Bye.